Oh, hello everyone. So I'm back, going to be doing a little bit of game development tonight. Haven't done much game development over the past few weeks. So yeah, I created my first game jam. It's called the Pico. I think that's how you pronounce it. Pico-8 jam. And yeah, I think I'll be the only participant, but it gives me a reason to actually develop a game. It's I'm going to use, that's my only requirement for this jam, is that you use this Pico-8 game engine or game development thing. I don't know, really know what you call it, but I've heard a lot about it lately. You create like these mini 8-bit games, and I think you save it out to like a PNG file. So it's like a little bit of steganography going on there. Where your thumbnail image can actually be your game. So I think you can run this through the little Pico-8 environment, or you can export to HTML5. So in my jam that I created, I just said, hey, either post your game, they call them cartridges, post your game cartridge, or upload the HTML5. So yeah, I just made it for 2 days, a little bit over 2 days, till the end of May. So we got May 30th and 31st. So at the end of Wednesday night, the game jam will be over. So it'll be interesting to see if anybody else joins. But the only downside to using this Pico-8 thing is that it does cost $14.99 for the development environment. So I bought it last night. I haven't done anything with it, but I do have it installed. So we'll see if that comes up. I know absolutely nothing about this. So if you really want to see how I learn how to develop in a game development environment, this will be a good one to watch. Okay, I see it on the live stream over there. It looks like it did come up. So yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing here. Like I said, I did run this last night, and only command that I know was quit or shut down. So it's like this little virtual console. So I think they do have like a tutorial for creating a game in this Pico-8 environment. So I'll probably be heavily relying on that. Now, I wish it didn't minimize every time. Can I do an Alt-Tab or an Alt-Enter? Okay, there we go. Okay, this is good right here. So I got my little Pico-8 environment over here, and I'm going to look up Pico. I know I did see like example programs, so I may have to like heavily rely on the example programs to do this, because maybe just modify an existing program or something. But here's the manual. So yeah. Like I said, this will be a learning experience. Everyone watching will be learning along with me. So there's a quick save, Control S. So I don't even know how you export. No file name's not saved. So I think this is... So I was going to mention earlier, there's another program called Voxel something. It's kind of like this, but for a 3D voxel program, and it's $20. So if you buy that, I bought mine through the Humble Bundle store. Then you also get Pico-8 as well. So for $5 more, you can get like 2 little game development environment type things here. So that didn't let me save. Player 1 specs. 16 color palette. So this is going to be like my little Prez game. I don't know if the gameplay will be like the Prez game, but it'll be in the same style. Limited palette, big pixels. I think it was 240 by 320 or 320 by 240. This is 128 by 128. So that's actually even smaller than the NES game that I developed not too long ago. Cartridge size 32K, sound, Okay, here I'm doing Hello World, so this is like the first thing to do whenever you're learning a new language or development environment. So print. I don't know if space matters or not. Hello. Oh, It looks like there's no difference between uppercase and lowercase. So there's hello world, rect, fill. I'm glad I don't have to hold shift the entire time. That would be very annoying. 80, 80, 120, 100, 12. Hey, there's a rectangle. Circ, fill. So this will probably be primarily me just playing around. First, like with all my other games, just see if I can get a box moving around. So it just like plops it right there on the screen. Now I wonder if there's a way to clear this out, or I guess I'm supposed to like edit this in a text editor. What do I want to do here? See, I don't know where what's loaded in my text editor here. Let me go full screen. Full camera. Don't need to show any passwords or anything. So close. Okay, it's just my notes for doing the voice for the podcast. Okay, got a clean notepad here. Yeah, that's one thing you got to watch out for with Notepad++. It will actually keep all your editors open. So if you go over here and plop down a password in your editor and you close it and you forget about it, then that could display your password to the screen, and that's not a good thing when you're broadcasting to the world. And I never do know which screen. Now, if it popped up on my second screen, I wouldn't have to worry about it. But just because I didn't know which screen it would pop up on. Okay, that's good. So I did a circle. 4 I gets 1, 4 do. So it's nice that it just... This is like the old QBasic where it just displays text over your graphics. That didn't work. 4 limit must be a number. 4 I gets 1. Oh. 4 I gets 1. 4 do print. I end. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! I can do like a number guessing game. So yeah, I just noticed that it only does uppercase letters. Build an interactive program, I use a command like this in code editing mode along with the special callback function, update and draw. For example, the following program allows you to move the circle around with cursor. So that's exactly what I need. Press escape, switch to the code editor and type and copy and paste the following code. What? Press escape. Oh, it's code editor. Nice. So I don't have to actually type it in Notepad. So there's copy. How do I paste? Do I just right click? How do I paste? Oh, what's this? What's this? How do I paste? Shift insert? Nope. Control V. There we go. Now go to main code. Type run to see it in action. Hey! Oh, I can move it around. That's actually pretty simple. So you can use arrow keys to move around, but not ASDF. So they have it mapped to button 0, 1, 2, and 3. I wonder if yeah, I didn't have my joystick plugged in or my gamepad plugged in. So yeah, I don't know. I might have to like restart the thing for the gamepad to work. Oh, whoa! Yikes. Yeah, I don't know if the gamepad works. That is pretty cool. So yeah, we got the update. So for every frame, we add X, we add Y. And then we draw it at that XY position with I guess that's a radius of 7. Or something. A height and width 7 and 8. and rec fill. I think this is just clearing the screen. So I wonder if 5 is the color. So this is how I learn stuff. I just start changing values to see what it does. Did that insert? Yeah, I don't need 115. I thought that would right over that. Okay, so that changes the color. That number right there. So like do 2, run. Okay. So I don't have any specific game in mind. It'll probably just be like shooting. So the first thing is getting something to move around. Next thing is like shooting or enemies and things like that. This cartridge included Pico-8 can be installed by typing install demos, API, JLPI, cast. That API might be kind of neat. Collide, how to do collisions. Grippy swiggle, music cart, run a cart. Install demos. That didn't work. Install. Oh, install underscore demos. CD demos. Load API. Run. Whoa. Oh, wow. T. I guess that's the timer. Nice little music song. I don't get the buttons. So any letter key? Maybe? I don't know. Okay, you can stop. So now I just lost all the code that I had before. That's not cool. Now it'd be nice if I could just like copy this code so I can see what I have available. I guess it's under the demos folder, wherever that is. Open. Now where did it install? I forgot where I picked to install this. I guess x86. Pico-8 demos. Where are the demos? Oh, it's written in SDL2. Nice. I don't know where the demos are. Did it put it on my desktop? Don't know where to install the demos. Is it in my home directory? I always hate it when things plop themselves in my home directory, which I try to stay out of since it's on my C drive. App data? Pico? I don't know where the demos are. Yeah, it'd be nice if I could just like look at the code without going into this sucker right here. I guess there's like an export command. Oh, here we go. Demos. Is that demos? Where in the world? Did it put it on my C drive? My E drive? Where in the world? Save my game. My game.p8. Or is that PB? Oh, here it is. Default location drive is... Oh, blah. Why does it put it on C? Then it puts it in like a hidden folder, roaming. I hate when stuff puts itself on C. Because you can't change your home folder out of C unless you... I think there's like some really hacky way to do it. I wonder where the... Oh, there's the demos there. So there's my game. So yeah, probably easier just to eat it, edit it here. Instead of this weird, funky editor. This font can drive me nuts. Could drive me nuts just because I can't tell the difference between 8s and Bs, and M's look really funky. So I think I may had rather edit it in my text editor. I wonder how I clear out, just totally clear out a game. Oh, here's Pico-8 config.txt. But then I still have to find it here, I think. Yeah, there it is. Video window system. Da, 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 da. Oh boy. C data. Okay, I'm going to change this. To... So I'm going to go E. LD Smith. Projects. Create a new project called Pico-8. So this is going to be E. LD Smith projects and E. LD Smith projects. Okay, save. So I think I may have to restart my Pico. Yay. I don't know what my game's going to be. Pixel Man? I don't know. I need some more drink. Oh. Pixel Chomper. Since I did Note Chomper, I can do Pixel Chomper. Okay, thanks to everyone that's watching right now. So I'm gonna go back. I don't know. I think if I do the install again, it's like install demos underscore demos. Then I think it should now put it in my Pico-8. Nope. Unless I'm supposed to create that C data directory. So I'm going to save foo. Save foo p.8. Pico-8. I don't see my foo. C data. Carts. Well, there's foo right there. So why is it not reading the config? Not text. Did it not save? Why didn't it save? LD Smith projects. Maybe since that's not the default where it starts up, then it overwrites it. I don't know. Yeah, it overwrites it. Huh. Why? I don't want it here. So let me do new folder C data. Let me just change this one. Save. Close. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Nope, it overwrites it. Every time this is started, it overwrites the config.txt. That is bizarre. Well, wait. Maybe I need to close it before I save over this. File, save. Maybe it overwrites config.txt when it closes. Config text. It's still E. Okay, it's still E. So I think it just has to be closed. Before I change this. Cards. Save. All this just to get the config file working. My goodness. Okay, I think we're good now. So I'm going to do a save foo. Foo.8, P8, or PB, whatever it is. C data. No cart data. Why? See if config is back to C. And it's still E now. Pico-8 carts, Pico-8 C data. Oh, did I put projects in there? Yeah, I did. Looks like it would create the folder for you. if it doesn't exist. Save foo. Carts? Nope. See data? Nope. So I'm going to do save foo A. See if it puts it back over here. Nope. There's foo A. Why? It's like it's not even reading this config. It will change the config file, but it won't write to where I tell it to save. Oh, it just changed the root path. That's interesting. Okay. I'll just have to grab it. I hate having to dig to this folder every time. That's very annoying. Can I just make a link? There we go. Pico-8 shortcut. There we go. So now I can just double click that and there it is. Carts, foo A. Oh well. So I guess the first thing, like, I think there's supposed to be a Sprite editor. Get a little Sprite moving around or something. Oh, there. Yeah, of course. I just need to read the manual. Edit the file when Pico-8 is not running. Use the home switch. Okay. So let me quit and edit the shortcut. Create short no properties. So I want Pico-exe home /LD Smith projects Pico-8. Okay. Oh. Okay. Alt enter. At least it responds to alt enter. That makes me happy. LD Smith projects Pico-8. Hey, it's a whole bunch of stuff. That's good. See data. Okay. Say foob. Carts. Foob, yay! Blah. Whoa, look at that. What? That's interesting. Now, the other ones were like actually text I could read. My game P8. Foo A. That one's a bunch of gunk. Oh, maybe it's just because I can't see. Foo B. My game. Maybe it puts all the graphic. Yeah, there's all the graphic stuff right there. Okay, I think I can work with this. I may not use that editor, but let me do install demos again. So now I got demos. That's good. So I'm going to just go ahead and delete this shortcut here. Cards, demos. Here's a hello. This does remind me a lot of QBasic. What in the world is that? I just want like a little guy running around or something. I don't know. Stompy? Ooh. Yeah, so my style of learning isn't reading text, just looking at examples and running examples. So what do I just do? Function update and function draw and frame and sign 1. No semicolons or anything. Print. Whoa, look at that. Why is the H all funky? Why is the H a heart? Why are all the characters different on shift? Hello. Run. Okay. iframe gets 0. Run. A nil value. So there's T. I guess you gotta define it outside. iframe gets 0. Run. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, I'm glad it actually responds to escape in the case of an infinite loop. That's a very nice thing to have. So, I wonder how to print a variable. Can I just do hello iframe? Run. How do I concatenate strings in Lua? So now I need like a Lua tutorial. Lua concatenate. I'm assuming this is Lua. ... Okay. It's like PHP or something. Or I think PHP is 1 dot. Hey, we got hellos going. We're learning. Yay, learning. So, yeah, this is basically what I did. Like, even as a teenager, figuring things out, I guess I just do it at a much faster pace. Learning the basics. And back when I was a teenager, we really didn't have internet, so. Seems like I might have had Did I have internet when I had my 386? I can't remember. I remember I had like AOL and Prodigy back in the day. I may have had my AMD K6 by the time I got internet access. I can't remember. I remember having the modems, the 14.4 modem. That might have been when I had my 386. Can't remember. So looking at our... So yeah, so the point being is, back then we just couldn't like go check Stack Overflow or find a Lua tutorial. You actually had to like drive from my hometown to like Marietta, Georgia, and go to CompUSA and buy a book, which they didn't have that many programming books back then. I remember when I got to Georgia Tech in 2001, it was like going to the engineers bookstore. It was like, wow, look at all the O'Reilly books. It's like it's all the APIs for like all the programming languages. It was beautiful. But now these days, like, I don't even know if they even make O'Reilly books anymore. I got a few shelves of them over in my living room from books that I had when I was in college, but now all that stuff is probably just online, especially all the Java APIs. Okay, what am I doing? If I can get something moving around, that would be great. So, where was that example? I'm going to use this example here. Maybe I will use this editor. I don't know. It's different. I like the highlighting, which I don't know if my Notepad++ has that. So I will write this from scratch. So I wonder if I can call another button like handle buttons or something. So I'm going to do function handle buttons and if BT, whoa, it doesn't like caps. Button 0, then do I just want to do X like this? I don't know. Position X. I could do player. Player X gets player. Oh, it scrolls. X -1 end. If button 1, then player X gets player X +1 end. If button 2, then player Y gets player Y -1 end. If button 3, then player Y gets player Y +1 end. I should make that like a variable, speed variable. Then I could have super speed or something, or do nice things with speed. So that's handle buttons. Now, do I have to initialize? Yeah, I gotta initialize those. So player X gets 64. Player Y gets... Let's make this like 100. So on update, we're going to call handle buttons. I don't know how to do that. Handle buttons? Did I just call it like that? Okay. That seemed to work. iframe. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to do player X, comma, Player Y. Hey, there's moving. He's moving. Yay! Can't you see him moving? He's moving. Oh. Having too much fun. Way too much fun. So now, how do I do a sprite? Oh, I like that. Save a GIF. It has a native GIF recording. Export a sprite sheet to a ping. Bottom half the sprite sheet and bottom top occupy the same memory. Numbers only go up to 32,000. Leave a razor 1 base by default. Cause and sign take 0, 1 instead of 0 pi over 2. Pi times 2 and sign is inverted. Sign returns 1. Toggle full screen. Alt enter. Command F. Searching text. When you want to export a ping cartridge, use save, not export. Export will only save the sprite sheet. Explore. Save. I don't even know what I want my game to be. You could do some play on pixel. Lexip. That's pixel backwards. I could change one of the letters in pixel. Mixel. Vixel. I think I like Lexip. Or I could do like the letters up one. P, Q, I, J. Yeah, that's not going to make a word. X, Y, Q, J, Y, E, F, L, M. Yeah, that doesn't make a word. Sometimes that makes a word, which is kind of cool. I think I like Lexip. So I can make Lexip whatever I want it to be. But how do I do a ping? I want to do a ping image because that sounds really cool. So I can just do my steganography and hide my game in an image. I think this sounds pretty cool. And I wonder if I can assign an image. Save lexip.png. Label is blank. F7. So moving around F7. Capture to label image. So that's how you capture your game image. Save Lexip. Save Lexip.png. Where are my cartridges? Oh, look at that! It's in my image! Yay! I wonder if I just renamed these other ones a PNG. Can I just rename this to PNG? Yes. See, it doesn't work that way. But that's pretty cool. But why does it do lexip.p8.png? I don't understand that. How do you say... Maybe I need to type help. Explore. Enter the X. Oh, that's cool. Lexip. Oh, this is like Zelda. I want to know how you save to a PNG without the P8, or if you have to have the P8 and the extension. Oh, yeah, I guess it has to be a .p8.png. Oops. Export Lexip. This should have created an HTML. I like the shading. Hey, there's my game. I can go full screen. Oh, it's actually responding. Check that out. That's pretty cool, I do have to say. I don't know what game I want to make with this. I guess I'll just do like collecting things, collecting coins, then shooting. Oh. Export. Okay. Sprite editor. Map editor, sound effects editor, music editor. They do not use the standard Lua library. It's automatically added PNGs. Oh, there's an init function right there. I should probably add that. I want to get rid of this thing there. Okay. Function underscore init end. So it's kind of like Ruby with the end commands. They have a 60 frame second mode. Not all Picos are supported. Oh, here's my graphics functions. Oh, here's the colors. Right here. So what was the clear method? It's clear screen. But I know that other one used a fill rat. Is there a comment? I think it was like dash dash. There we go. I guess I'm just going to do like a Zelda style game. I don't know. Shooter. I don't want to do space. I guess it'll be an outdoorsy shooter type thing. So, rect fill 0, 0, 128, 128. Color, I want green. 3 is dark green. 11 is regular green. Run. Yeah, I guess I need the... It's weird that they don't put the parentheses in the documentation. It reminds me a lot of VI with all the escaping going on. So, want to P set player X player Y to orange. I don't know. Yellow. I got yellow. Red, blue. Pink, peach. I'll do peach. Hey, there's my little pixel, but it's kind of hard to see. That green is like way too green. So I'm going to change this to 3. Okay, that's a little bit better right there. A little bit easier on the eyes right there. I'll be right back. I still don't know what type of game I want this to be. Haven't had any great ideas. I know I had one idea for a air traffic control game, like at an airport. But for a little pixel-based game, I don't know. I don't have any good ideas. Seems like I've done about everything. Could do a Peach. I went to MomoCon. I could do a little Peach character. But then he'd look like a big bot or something, so I don't want to do that. But a little Zelda game would be kind of cool. Now I just need to figure out how to do sprites. Okay, so here's the sprite editor. So what do I could do like a little dragon or something. It looks like a little dragon right there. I don't know what I want to do. There's like nothing jumping out at me at the moment. I could do a little panda, little pandy character. I've kind of done pandas before though. Oh, there he is, little pandy. I don't know what I want the character to be. I need like a roulette wheel of characters. It's like pick something. I don't know what I want the character to be. Could do a grasshopper or something. I don't know. Don't know. Wow, this is going to be very blocky. Do a little grasshopper. Could do a frog. I did a frog though before. I did free the frog. Oh no. I don't know what this is. Seems like he's off. Maybe it's just a person. I don't know. Maybe it's just a regular guy. Why don't I have a good blue? Give him blue pants. What color is his shirt? Can have, no, I don't want red. Orange. Kind of a purpley pink. Red. I don't know. No. Can't decide. He'll have a white shirt. Because that's what I'm wearing right now is a white shirt. He's like big and buff. Okay. How do I save this guy? Control. Replace. Select a color. How do I change the number? Brush size. This would be cool if, like, I really don't need a bigger brush when I'm dealing with 16 by 16 or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 by 8. It's like, don't really need a bigger brush size. Don't really. Oh, I can zoom. Oh, look at that. That's what I need right there. So now I can make them bigger, I think. Okay, so now I see the point of the bigger brush size. So now I need like a scale tool to make this guy bigger. But I don't know if I want him that big though. What's this? I do like the little tips at the bottom. But not everything has a tip. What are the flags? I don't understand these. Did I just lose my character? There's the code, there's character. Guess this is the map. Oh, this must be the music or sound effects. How do I change? Oh, look at that. That's interesting. So this game will be a game about me, I suppose. I'll be the character. So now I need to figure out how to plop that character on my screen. So we do have vertical and horizontal flips. At least in the editor. Camera. So it does have a camera. That's nice. How do I... Oh, here's a sprite. So I'm going to comment this out. So N does work, which is nice. SPR. Guess this is just one. Player X. Oh, I need to leave this one. Get rid of this one. Player Y. So I don't need width and height, and I don't need flip. Hey, there's my little guy. Doo, 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 doo. Now I just need to have his feet going up and down, like in Dragon Warrior. Doo, 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 doo. So now I need a new sprite. How do I do a new sprite? I don't understand. What do these do? Oh. Oh, no. Undo. Yay. How do I change which sprite I'm working on? Sound effects, music, editor. So there's flags that you can set on a sprite. How do I change the sprite that I'm working on? Is it page up? Page. I don't understand how to change the sprite. Space. Pan. So I can move it around like that. Oh, I click here. Whoa, look at that. So here's all the different sprites. Okay. That's weird. So no need to zoom out. Oh, I got it. Okay. So is there like a copy, paste? Okay, that's good. That's good. So I wonder if black, I guess black is pretty much clear. That's 1 foot up. Oh, I did that backwards. One foot's up, this arm's down. Copy, paste, and how do I flip? Is it F? No. Selected area. F. Oh, there we go. That's 2, 1. That doesn't look right. I guess it sort of does. I don't know. Kind of want to have this like base one. Him just standing. I think in Zelda, like, they just do 1 foot up like this. This arm up. Now he looks like he's hunchback or something. That looks kind of funky, but oh well. Hey, look at that. I don't know if I can do player is running. It's false. Player is running gets false. How do I do this in one line? I think I just gotta put these on multiple lines. Yeah, this is like really old school here. Yeah, this isn't too bad. I mean, it's taking a little while to get stuff going, but you're going to do that with any programming language. I wonder if there's a mod function. I need like a variable. Sprite index gets 2. Sprite index. Okay, that's good. That's still working. I wonder what mod. If iframe mod 2, is it double equals 0, then end. I'm assuming it has if then else. Sprite index. Whoa, index gets 2, else Sprite index gets 3. Or no, 1. I think it's 1 and 2. So Sprite index gets 3. So he's standing by default. Whoa, that's way too fast. I thought that would happen. So now I need to divide by 5. Divide by 5 mod 2. Seems like I just did this for some game. Oh, for my NES stuff. That's actually a good way to learn. Yeah, having to slow down the frame rate. You're actually not slowing down the frame rate, but you're trying to limit how many times you swap the frame. Because doing mod 2 is going to change it every other frame, and if it's doing 30 frames a second, then that's way too fast. Thought dividing by a number would fix it. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4 would be 0. 5, 6, 7, 8. Divided by 5 would be 1. 1 mod 2 would be 1. But maybe it's not doing an int. Oh, there's my joining strings right there. Lua division. I wonder if it has like a floor. Int. Oh man. I'm just trying to get a sprite. It's walk sequence working. Okay. FLR is floor. Floor frame divided by 5 mod 2. Hey, it's working! It's working! It's working! That still looks kind of weird. But I guess the good thing is I can go into the editor now and fix it. Should this one be up here? Should it be like that? Then his arm looks like it's sort of getting chopped off. That's why I hate pixel art. It's so constraining. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Thing is, he only needs to be animated when he's moving. So, player is running, gets true. Can I copy? Yes. Copy. Paste. 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 I wonder if there's an else if. I don't know. If player is running, then end. Sprite index gets 3. Rung? Run. No. Oh, it's backwards. Yeah, I don't know if I can do a not like that. What's not? Lua. Not. I wonder if it's just like the word not. I can do a not equal. Oh, I guess it is the word not. If not note. I've typed in note for note chomper so many times, I'm automatically typing it now. Well, that's pretty good. I'm not going to do like left and right and all that. But hey, look, he's running around. I like it. That's pretty cool. Got the head bob going on. Save. I forgot what I call it. Lepix. Nope. Lexip. Oh, I didn't do a F7. Lexip. No. So now I should have Lexip.ping. Hey, there he is. I like it. Guess I can have coins. Like the most overused thing in games. Golden coins. Or could have like real money. I don't know. Could have dollar bills. I don't know if I want dollar bills or not. I think I'd rather have coins. Is there like a flood fill? Maybe I do need that color changer. I'm gonna do coins. It's a really big coin. It's gonna be like the Super Mario style coins. Yeah, I don't know. I guess that's good. It's a coin. Okay. So how do I do an array? I need an array of coins. From a string. So can do a print. Coins. So I'm gonna do it at 8, 8, 8. Color will be, what is yellow? 10. So coins gets 0. Time. Oops. Can I do a semicolon? There we go. Coins. Not icons. Coins. Yay! Coin X gets 20, or I don't know. 80 coin. Y gets 20. I could have the coins moving around or something. I don't know. Oh, I could have the coins like flashing. That would be cool. I can have it sparkle. I could do like a copy, paste. So do spur 3, 4 coin index coin X coin Y, and what else do I need? That's it. Oh no! It's the wrong one. Coin index gets 4. Okay, there's my coin. Yay! Ding! I'm drinking a lot of green tea tonight. Well, I'm gonna look at that collision example. Where's my... 'Cause I always mess collision up. Oh yeah, that's a lot. Whoa, that's a lot. Make actor. This is some pretty detailed collision. Solid. Solid actor. This is some pretty detailed. This is gonna like run out, exceed my limit. Like limit for code, maybe. I don't know. I think it's like 32K or something. So that's still a lot of code. I'm gonna do very simple collision. Check collisions. Function check collisions. And if player X is greater than coin X, and player X is less than coin X plus, I don't know, how big is 8? And player Y is greater than coin Y. And player Y is less than coin Y plus 8. I might have to change that to a minus or something. Then end. Too bad it doesn't auto format that for me. Insert. I coins. Add and assign 1. Can I do add and assign? No, doesn't look like it. It's I coins plus 1. Run. Whoa! Woo! Look at all the coins. Yeah, so the X appears to be a little bit off. So it's like his right arm has to be. Yeah, it's a little bit wonky there. So X is greater than X. And X. Oh. I think I have to do -8 here. Player X. +8? I think I just need to do a -8 here. And a -8 here. That accounts for the width. Still a little bit off, but it's okay. It's because the coin doesn't fill up the whole 8 pixel area. But it is like colliding, which is cool. No, there's just like a way to delete the coin. I need like a collection of coins. I think I can do it like this. So coin gets an empty thingy. I'm going to call a function called make coins. Function make coins. Could make this bigger. Function make coins. So now I need to know how to add a coin to this. Add. I guess that. Okay. Function make coin. make coin, what is it? 80-20. This will be X and Y. Assuming that will work. Actor. So add coins. Coin. Coin gets an empty thingy there. Coin dot X gets X. Coin dot Y gets Y. Add coin to coins. Do make coin 50-50. Make coin, say 10-100. So now I need like a for each. So I'm going to do init make coins. I need to get rid of these. Now I need a for each. Or a loop. I know I saw for each in here somewhere. Actually, there was a for each in the example, I think. Yeah, here we go. For each actor, move actor. Where's move actor? Oh, okay. That's interesting. So I can do... So, coin index gets 4. We'll get rid of this. I'm going to do for each. Actor coin. For each coins, I think I need to do for each coins, draw coin. Function draw coin end. I'm going to grab this, copy, coin index needs to be 4. Coin index gets 4. See if this works. Oh man. Coin X. Check collisions. end function check coin collision coin. So coin.x, coin.x, coin.y, coin.y. I think I'll do the same thing for player 2. For each coins check coin collision. There's one coin way up there. They're not getting set right. Make coin. Maybe I should add coin to coins. Nope. Draw coin. Oh, I need to fix this. Coin.x. I'm surprised it didn't yell and scream. Run. Hey, I got 3 coins. Woo! And they're adding. Yay. Now, what the real trick is when I collide, can I remove the coin? I wonder what the command would be. Save. Oops. Lexip. Add. Oh, they're called tables instead of hashes or collections or whatever. Delete. Well, I'm gonna see if this works. Del coins coin. Ding! Look at that. Ding! Ding! Woo! Got 3 coins. You win. Yay! Collected all the coins. Yay! I wonder if I can do a count. That would be cool. Is there a count? Where's the count? Oh no. Why isn't there a count? Lua table count. Number of entries in a Lua table. Oh wow, I gotta iterate over the whole table. So I'm gonna do an update. Check winner. Function check winner. If, wow. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I coins equals 3, then and is it used to double equal? Yeah. Is winner gets true. Is winner gets false. Draw. If is winner, then end. I'm gonna copy this line. I'm just gonna say you. Whoa! You win. I don't know if I can do some neat emoji thingies. It's like old ASCII art. Like a little cat. I wonder if there's a listing somewhere of all the little emojis. There's an eyeball. That's kind of creepy. I just want a smiley face. Oh, there's a little house. Look at that. It's a note. Okay. What color is this going to be? I'm going to put it at 64, 64. And the color will be, if I can find the graphics stuff here. Where are the graphics? Graphics. There it is. Okay. I want it to be, I don't want yellow again. It can just be white. 7. I don't need iCoins. Okay. Run. 1 coin, 2 coin, 3 coin. Oh, it doesn't say you win. Why didn't it say you win? Is winner. If is winner, say you win. 64. 64. Check winner. Check winner. If I... Oh, I missed an I. Yeah, it really doesn't have syntax checking. Or it doesn't check your variable names. It just thinks that's a new variable. 1, 2, 3. You win. Yay! Yeah, this needs to be centered up a little bit. Yeah, I doubt there's a way to get the width of the string. Let's just make it 32. 1, 2, 3. You win. Yay. Woo. This is the collect the 3 coins game. This isn't bad for 2 hours. I mean, it is a little bit more involved than I kind of expected, but I need some bounds checking. I need to fix the player is what I need to do. So player gets that. I'm going to get rid of player X and player Y. 6400. Set up player. So player.x gets 64. Player Y gets 100. So now I got to fix all the other stuff. It'd be nice if there was a replace, which I could open this up like in a text editor, then load it back in, and that would probably fix it. So if I run now, it's already complaining. Handle buttons, check collision. Well, all I have to really do is change the underscores to dots, which isn't too bad. I need to change that is running to make it a property. Player X, player Y. I probably will end up putting the sprite index in player as well. But I'll just leave it outside for now. So is running. Need to take that out. Set up player. Player is running. It's false. Okay, I need to fix that. If not player is running, then index gets 3. And I think that's it. Run. Yay. Bing. 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 So now, let's see if I can do a loop here. I wonder how to do loop. Loop. There's pairs. For loop. Loop. For. I just want to do 4, like 10 times. Loop. Lua for loop. Okay, here we go. For I gets, go ahead and do 1. One to 10, do, end, make coin. I'm gonna do rand x, rand y. Rand x gets, okay, is there a random rand? Floor rand x. Rand. N is greater than 0 is less than x. What's the width? 128. Rand y gets floor rand 128. So that should make 10 coins. Look at all the coins! Look at all the coins! Woo! Ding, ding, ding. But I win after collecting 3. Ding, 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 ding. Why do I only have 9? Oh, because I started at 1. Can I start it at 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay! So check winner we're going to have if coins equals, if greater than or equal to 10. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, there were 11. What? Doesn't make any sense. There were 9 before. Maybe one was like off screen or something. Yeah, there might have been like one way over here. I should like fix it so it's, I want to do 8 plus 8 plus, and just for simplicity's sake, minus 16, minus 16. 1, 2. What? Oh, there must have been one that spawned on top of me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay, you win! Woohoo! Well, I'm up to 2 hours already. Save. Now if I can remember Lexip, the stupid name of my game. Maybe I'll think of something better to call it later. I want to do sound effect, really. How do I play? This is kind of cool. Can I play it? How do I play the sound? How do I use the sound editor? That's part of the fun, is just figuring out how to use this stuff. It seems like it's fairly well fleshed out and everything. I haven't had too many problems yet. Pitch mode. Tracker mode. Indicated by the colors. Hold shift. Only the selected instrument. Oh, each one of these is a different color. This is somewhat educational. Learning the different sound waves. I don't understand. Well, that's interesting. Can I just delete this? Hold the snap to see. This is cool. I wonder if that's picking up on the OBS. Looks like it's picking up a little bit. Not much. How do I just reset all of these? 0. 1. I don't know where these. 4. How do I? I sort of just want to delete. There's no way to set these to 0. A. Apply all the notes. I don't understand this. Oh, that's cool. That's Dragon Warrior right there. I like Dragon Warrior. Okay, I need to get rid of some of these notes. How do I delete notes? Control I just want to delete the rest of these. How? I just want to delete. Do I just set the volume to 0? Oh, maybe that's how I do it. This is kind of a kludgy way to delete it. Okay, I guess that's how you do it. Sounds like a coin. That sounds pretty good. So how do I play a sound? Is it just SFX? At 0. What? Sound effect 0. Oh, I need to put it around. Put parentheses around a bit. So now I need like a victory melody. There's my victory. I want my dragon warrior. That's my victory. Okay, that's good. SFX1. If not is winner and Yay, I win. Woo! Music would be nice. Wow. I do not know what. Oh. I don't know what I'm doing here. I don't understand this. Wow, that's really annoying. Let's see. How do I delete a note? Okay, I think I need to read what I'm doing here. Yeah, I could definitely do a tutorial on this. I mean, it's not too hard to figure out, but there's enough to little small things like using the editor. It'd be nice if there was a tutorial. Three buttons in the top right. I don't understand. Stop. Stop command. I have them both. Wow, there really isn't much documentation on the music editor. I just want to, I want to understand what these numbers are. 2, 3, 5. Oh. That's interesting. Oh, I guess this is, this is the effects that are defined up here for the sound effects editor. Wow, that sounds like Zelda. How do I just delete? I just want to delete a node. Oh, backspace deletes a node. CC. Oh. Oops. Backspace. So now I'm gonna do three. Whoa. Slide. Three. Huh. Maybe it's 5. I don't know what these other numbers are. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. The speed needs to come down quite a bit. How do I go back to... EDCD. I kind of like this little tune right here. E D C D D E D C D. Okay, that's good. So how do I play music? Is that number 3? I think it's 2. Maybe not. Nope. Oh, maybe it's channel 1. I'm confused. It's not repeating. I thought this means it. Oh, maybe this is what I gotta do right there. So I should do music in -1 after you win. I wish I could make the music go a little bit slower. Can I set that here? No. Oh, there it is. I could drop that volume by about half. I need like a reset. What? Need like reset button. Okay, I'm just going to say if button 4, then end init. So insert resets it. Init. Make coins. Coins gets that. Icons. If I can spell. Is winner needs to get set false too. Okay, it actually feels like a little game. Not much of a game, but a game nonetheless. Yeah, I should have it where if you press a button after it's in the win state, then you can reset the level. Only let you reset the level if you're in the win state. I can go ahead and add that. Otherwise, you should keep playing. If is winner and button 4. So now you just can't hold. It's my little game. It's I forget the Lexip. So now I need enemies and be able to like kill the little player, not let them go outside the bounds. But yeah, 2.5 hours. I think I'm gonna take a break and come back to this tomorrow. But yeah, that's a pretty neat little game that I got running, and in just a couple of hours. I mean, using Pico-8. So yeah, definitely need to remember to save Lexip. I'm gonna say, oh, I need to do a run. F7. So now I can do a save lexip.png. So now I got my PNG image. So if I go Pico-8, carts, and this one. Yeah, there it is. There's a little image. So my image is my game. It's so cool. Wonder if I can do save lexip.html. Now, which one is the right one? I guess it says. That's not right. No, that's not the right one. Now I'm getting scared that I'm going to lose my game. Lexip backup. I better not lose my game. I'll be so angry. Do I just have to delete? Oh, I don't know which one's the HTMLs. Save HTML lexip. CD HTML. Save lexip. Save lexip.html. No. Why don't you want to run? It was working before. Now it won't do it anymore. Maybe I gotta do p8.html. No. Export. That's why it's not working. So I can delete these. Yay. Hey, that looks very blurry. Why is it? I don't like it this blurry. That's fine, but good grief. I don't need it that freaking blurry. Get rid of that. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Whoa, no. Get rid of HTML and JS. That one. Keep these. Pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna quit. Okay, here's the real test. Can I bring my game back up? Lex. Yay! Okay. Glad that worked. I don't have it in source control, but I don't. For something like this, I'll probably put it in source control later. But where is the jams? Itch.io jam. Pico-8 jam. So yeah, check out if you missed the beginning, check out Pico-8 jam. It ends in 2 days, or a little bit more, a little bit less than 2 days, by the end of May 2017. So yeah, check that out. Submit a game. I'd be very happy if people submitted Pico-8 games to this, but like I said before, you do have to buy this little program, which is $14, but you can get the or $15, 1 cent less than $15, or you can get this Voxatron, which is still in alpha. I'm not trying to sell this or anything. I'm just saying if you want to participate in this, I can switch over, I guess. Yeah, if you want to participate in this game jam, then you need to get either the Voxatron, which is $5 more, but you get Pico-8 with that and the updates and everything. Or you can just get Pico-8 for $14. And you can go to this guy's website, and he has it through the Humble store, so it isn't like you're going to some weird website or anything. Then once I purchase it through the Humble store, then it actually gives you the downloads right there through Humble. There is a way you can create an account on this Pico-8 site, the Lexol Awful, whatever it is. Maybe that's the guy's name. I don't know. You can't create an account there. I think that's just if you want to submit your games to this guy's website to be a part of the library of game cartridges. So you may want to do that, but you don't have to do that to participate in the game jam. You just got to buy the software off the Humble store and then download it from there. Then it's a pretty simple install, standard installer. You just run it and it installs. But yeah, pretty cool stuff. I always like trying new game development environments and things that are different. So this is definitely different. And yeah, hopefully I'll come back either tomorrow or later today or sometime before the end of May and do a little bit more for this. But anyway, I appreciate everyone watching.